All right, guys, it is officially 2026. And with that being said, 2025 just so happened to be the absolute biggest year we've ever had here on the COOP'S House YouTube channel. And that's all thanks to you guys. This year, full of a lot of highs, a lot of lows, a lot of struggles, a lot of disappointment, but also a lot of achievement, including we finally passed 10,000 subscribers on YouTube, which absolutely blows my mind. And I should probably add to that as of the filming of this video today, January 3rd, we hit 10,000 subscribers 2 weeks ago. Today, we are 15 away from hitting 11,000, which is even more nuts. So I wanted to jump on here, make this video, and show you guys some of my favorite moments from 2025. There were a lot of interesting things that happened this year. Some fun things, some not so fun things, some painful things, just a lot of crazy stuff happened around here this year. So I've gone back to all of our old videos that we dropped in 2025, and I've taken my favorite, most entertaining moments, and I'll put them all together for you guys to watch and enjoy. But if you guys have a favorite moment that has happened on the channel, drop it in the comments because I want to see your thoughts. But with that being said, we're gonna roll the next part of the video, and then we've got a big announcement for you right there at the end.
Bro.
It's missing something.
It's missing a hat.
I have an idea. I got it.
What'd you get?
I got a hat.
Okay, sweet. Oh. Rest in peace, Jim Bob. You only got one shot of this, brother. Oh, there it is. We got fire.
Here we go again, baby.
That was not the move.
This hat has put out more fires than your local fire department.
It's good. It's good.
There it is.
God, it runs like a top. It's not bad at all. I'm actually gonna shut it off. We'll check the oil and stuff. I'm gonna try to drive it around the job.
With no brakes.
Oh. Oh. Turn it. In my hand, I think that I hold the fastest slip this car's ever run. In my hand, we hold a slip. That was slower than my last bag.
Bruh.
Nick, they were, oh man, look at the damage on that 71 of Braden Cooper.
So needless to say, brother, 2025 was a big year.
A huge year for us.
I do remember the end of 2024, when we were talking, we said 2025 is going to be our year. And it was. It was a big year, for not only for me, but for you too.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
What happened to you just a couple weeks ago?
Oh, got engaged.
Bro got engaged.
And
which
you became a dad.
I became a dad in 2025. She's a year old, actually. We're filming this today, January 2nd. My little girl's a year old, which is pretty insane. I still remember that day. But I still remember that like it was yesterday. I don't know if you guys remember that. Actually, I'll throw in a clip right here. Well, guys, we're in just a little bit of a different setting. As I was finishing up filming the video and finishing up working on the truck last night, got a phone call from my wife, and she told me she thought she was going into preterm labor. So I had to drop everything, jump at the truck, and hightail it down here to the hospital. Within about 10 minutes of us getting here, she actually had the baby. So she was definitely in labor. So we're both a little mind blown that we had a baby. it was not supposed to happen just yet. Little caught off guard, but also super, super excited. So I was in the shop working on the square body when my wife called me. She's like, I need to go to the hospital. And I'm like, okay. So we went to the hospital, rolled in at the hospital. Within 5 minutes, we had a baby. So I became a dad in 2025. Hunter got engaged in 2025. So 2025 was a great year. It just held a lot of life changes for us both.
Absolutely.
And I do got to say, it was also a really hard year too. Because the amount of time that we put in to make these videos for you guys, it's really hard sometimes to balance this, and working a full-time job, and having a family.
Yeah.
It gets to be a lot, but sometimes you just got to do what you got to do and make it work.
And it also helps that you have supportive people in your life.
It does. So we've got extremely supportive families that believe in us and think that we're actually going to be able to pull this thing off. We're still really hoping we're going to be able to pull this thing off. But if 2025 proved us anything, we can do anything we put our mind to.
That's right. And only that, like in the beginning of 2024, we said that was going to be our year. We hit 1,000. We monetized.
We did. We monetized in 2024. We hit 1,000 subscribers. We grew a little bit through that year. 2025 rolled around. We just decided we were just going to go way harder. And we managed to hit 10,000 subscribers.
Yeah, and this year we're going to go even harder.
I'm going to set the goal right now for 25,000 for 2026. Yes. Yep. We're going to hit 25,000 subscribers by the end of 2026. And if we beat that, we're going to do something big.
Oh, absolutely.
I don't know what we're going to do yet, but we're going to do something big if we hit more than 25,000 subscribers.
We're going to cook a nice pork chop.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. A $3 one. I'm talking.
That's right.
Yeah. But with that said, we hit 10,000 subscribers in 2025. And we wanted to do something to give back to you guys because we couldn't have done that without your support. You guys got us there. And so, once again, I have partnered with Art Captain to bring you guys something to show you our appreciation. And we are going to do our very first COOP'S House giveaway.
Brand new, still in the box.
In the box, Cut 50 Pro plasma cutter from Art Captain. So to get entered for this, you don't have to buy anything. You just have to be subscribed to the channel and tell us in the comments that you want to win a plasma cutter.
I want a plasma cutter.
You can't.
Oh.
Yeah, you can't win it. Family and friends, sorry guys. You guys can't win this. It's not fair. But if you don't know us personally or you're not related to us, drop in the comments that you want to be entered to win a plasma cutter, and you can win a plasma cutter.
And not only that, if you want extra entries,
you can go buy something on the website.
Every $5 will get you an entry off our website.
Yep.
www.coopshouse.com.
So, free entry. Comment on the video. If you want more entries, every $5 that you spend on the website gets you another entry. So, you don't have to buy anything. You could win this for absolutely free just
with one entry.
15 seconds of typing something on the website, or on the comments. So, excited about this. We've never done anything like this. We're going to be running it from today, January 3rd, to midnight, January 31st. It's going to end. We're going to be choosing the winner probably on February 1st. We're going to film that and actually show choosing the winner so that there's no questions. And somebody going to be winning a plasma cutter.
Absolutely. And this thing is phenomenal.
It is a monster. This is the same one that we use in the shop. I like it, so I know you guys will too. So with all that said, brother, plans for 2026.
Plans for 2026, finish some builds.
Finish some builds for one.
Yeah, we're going to start that. That is number one goal.
Yeah. We got a lot of stuff that we have started and not finished around here, and I apologize to you guys, but I mean, I do stay pretty busy. We work on other stuff here, which some of you guys know. Let me just preface that by saying, if you've been here since the beginning, thank you so much. If you're new, welcome to the chaos.
It is very chaotic.
It's chaotic around here. So for some unknown reason, I decided that I wanted to sort of run a body shop, and so I started taking in a lot of customer cars, and now I can't breathe.
This is one of them.
Waylon, I'm sorry, I'll get it done, I promise. But
also it's for sale too. So
it's gonna be for sale, yeah, and we'll if somebody wants it, we can get you the guy's number. But anyway, so we've been super bogged down. Man, we did like 8 customer cars the last 2 months of 2025.
You made some money off of it.
We did, but man.
But it has bogged us down to the point where content was hard to do.
I'm telling you. So if some of our videos were a little lacking, which is crazy because the last 2 months, I will tell you guys, the last 2 months of 2025 were the biggest 2 months we've had all year. So November, December, absolutely huge for the channel. On top of trying to do customer cars and keep customers happy and all that stuff, don't know how much longer I'm going to keep being a body shop.
Well, we got a lot more things more important. I mean, money is nice, but
Yeah, it is. It's helped me pay a few bills. It's been nice,
yeah, but we got some goals we want to do.
we do, and we got to make videos for you guys.
Exactly.
Because y'all are important. So, that said, we have been super busy with customer cars. This is just one of them. Several have left out of here. Some of them you guys saw on the channel because we did make videos of some of them, but some of them, we know you're not going to care. We know that you don't care about, I'll just use your brother's name, Gabe's Honda Civic. You know what I'm saying? Like, nobody wants to watch that on the channel.
Yeah.
So, obviously, there's some stuff that you haven't seen, but some of you have. And actually, some of you guys may recognize this truck from one of our very, very early videos.
Yeah, like 2.5, 3 years ago, actually.
Long time ago. But the unfortunate situation is I'm having to do it again because I decided I wanted to try a different brand of clear coat. Both vehicles I painted with that have come back.
Yeah, this thing looks like it got a really bad sunburn.
It did.
And
So
clear is just peeling off with a gust of wind.
very badly. So we know now that Auto Paint HQ, the go-to for clear coat.
That's
okay?
right.
That's who we use. We've been using them now for a long time. So it's getting a paint job with Auto Paint HQ. But enough of that. We're doing a lot of customer cars. We're playing catch up. Back to our plans for 2026.
Yep.
We want to do more racing this year.
More racing. Maybe more racing.
Maybe. That one's going to be expensive. Anyway, so you guys know we dropped the budget S10 build last week where we blew that thing up. We did that for a reason. That's going to be a budget drag truck build because I'm ready to see Hunter drive something.
I mean, I could have driven that.
Maybe. Even I'm scared of that one at this point because it don't hook half the time. So until we get that figured out, there ain't nobody else driving that one. But the budget S10 build that any of our friends can drive, Hunter, Garrett, my wife, that's going to be interesting.
Our buddy's other wife our other buddy's wife that used to
drive.
race.
Yeah. So, we just got a lot of things that we want to do this year. So we're going to be doing more racing, more track videos, stuff like that. We're competing in several Cletus events this year.
Absolutely.
We're going back to the Danger Ranger 9000. Today's the 3rd. We're leaving in 13 days.
Today's the 2nd.
So today's the 2nd. But as of today's video, it's the 3rd. We're going in 2 weeks back down to the Freedom Factory again for the Danger Ranger 9000. We got our truck fixed, ready to go. So we're going to win it this time.
Yep.
Ain't no brake checking going on. You know what I'm saying?
Zach.
Also, this shirt's on the website if you want to get it. That's 6 entries, something like that. It's on the website. Go check it out. But we're gonna be racing again at the Freedom Factory. I'm not gonna lie. 2026. Imagine we got an invite for the Freedom 500.
Clears.
Cletus. That'd be nuts. Anyway, likely to not happen, but worth asking. Anyway, so again, lots of builds. We've got the budget S10. We've got the Chevelle to fix. We've got a couple little things to finish on the square body, which again, you guys have asked about. We've been waiting for some parts, but we got most of them to finish it all the way.
Except for the overdrive unit. We still got to figure that out.
That's still a situation, but we've got that. We've got our cheap Duramax.
That's going to be freaking awesome to finish.
Dude.
I'm ready for that.
I got to say, cut real quick. That thing's running phenomenal with our eBay injectors and our Amazon fuel pressure regulator. I don't know why we would spend $5,000 on the same parts. I need it for less than $1,000 and it runs fine.
That's right.
Anyway, working great. So, Duramax, we're going to be breaking out a couple more builds, which I have been waiting for. These are the builds that I've been wanting to get to since we started YouTube, and it just hasn't worked out for us to get there. I'm trying to decide if I want to tell you guys what they are or not yet. I think I'll wait. It is my dream car. We are going to be building my dream car this year. Been trying to work toward that since I was 16. I've had the car for years, couldn't afford to work on it. Now that I actually can afford to work on it a little bit, I haven't had time because I've been working on everybody else's or working on the square body.
And not only that, if you think you know, leave it in the comments for your best guess.
Yes.
We got plenty of them to guess from.
Yep.
And there's 2 more on the other side of that
more
truck.
on that side, but I can tell you it's not a Mustang. It ain't a Mustang.
We're tired of Mustangs.
Tired of Mustangs, but it's gonna be gonna be my dream car that we're gonna be building. But it's also probably gonna be the most emotional build we've ever done on the channel.
Absolutely.
Because there's a whole story there, which I'll tell you guys about whenever we actually announce that build. But 2026 is gonna be an absolutely huge year for COOP'S House. And again, I just want to say thank you guys so much for your support, for watching all of our videos, for putting up with all of our shenanigans. Sorry if we've got on your nerves a little bit. That's just who we are, unfortunately.
It's just 2 dudes with really bad ADHD.
ADHD, fueled by rage and caffeine. I don't know what else to say. Anyway, we appreciate you guys so much because without you guys, we would not have hit the milestone that we worked so hard to hit, 10,000 subscribers. We're beyond that. We're already fixing to hit 11,000. I'm going to go ahead and set my goal right now, January 2nd, at whatever time it is right this minute. I'm going to say 2026. We're shooting for 25,000 subscribers. That's going to be a lot of work. I just put a lot of work on us right there.
But that's a good goal to have.
That is the goal. 25,000 subscribers in 2026. That's the goal. I appreciate you guys watching this video. We'll catch you on the next one. Deuces.